Very good morning to all of you, my dearest children and my dear colleagues. Today is a special occasion. 31st of October 2021 is celebrated as National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, throughout the country. You are all aware that our country is celebrating the 75th year of Indian independence under the banner Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. We, the teachers, and you, the students, must rejoice on this occasion of 75th year of Indian independence. It's a matter of great pleasure for JNV Mysuru family to observe this Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Dear children, though there is a period of pandemic and you are at home and partially some of you were back, you are physically here, and now all of you are at home with your parents, kith and kin, and your dearest ones. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti has given an opportunity to all of us to celebrate this Rashtriya Ekta Divas. And the Indian government has taken keen note to specifically have a special national level competition on storytelling for you children. It is spread for the entire group of children from class 6 to class 12. And the theme of the storytelling is, what is the contribution of the paired state on the occasion of this freedom struggle? When I say paired state, you know that JNVs are having pair under the policy of migration, and we, the Mysuru family, have paired with JNV Kaushambi in Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh is our paired state, my dear children. So we need to analyze, make a research at your own levels, and take a collection of data and information about the contributors from the state of Uttar Pradesh for India's freedom struggle. It will be really an enlightening experience for you, my dear children. Though you are at home, nothing to worry. You have the facilities. Those, if you don't have the facility also, you can make pairings with peer group. You can do wonderful things. So this competition is actually spread for a period of 1 month, starting from today up to 30th of November. And in this 1 month period, you can do a lot, and you have to submit your entries. Lot of guidelines are given by the Government of India, Ministry of Education. It will be put up in your WhatsApp groups. Please go through, and I want maximum participation from your hand. I am sure that some of you are excellently talented and have unique features to do a lot of marvelous works. So dear children, take this opportunity and participate in the storytelling competition. There is a word limit of 600 words, and it should be either in English or in Hindi. And take the help of your neighbors, relations, but on the whole, the work should be original. Your original work will be considered And if you go higher and higher, you will have a lot of opportunities. All the participants of the storytelling competition will get a certificate of participation. And the top 75 in the country will get certificate of excellence. It's really a matter of wonderful thing for JNV Mysuru, you know. If few among you top in this 75 from the entire country. So dear children, take this opportunity. Do not miss this opportunity, because opportunities seldom knock your doors. So once again, on the occasion of this Rashtriya Ekta Divas, I extend my warm greetings to you, National Unity Day. Children, some of you may be thinking, especially the junior classes, what is this Unity Day? In fact, the Unity Day is to commemorate, to celebrate the birth anniversary of our legendary person, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. An exemplary personality who fought for the unity of the nation. I want you to do an in-depth analysis about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji from your books you have read, but I want you to go more deeper and deeper and get the things better and better about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji. And really it's a wonderful opportunity. So once again, I take this opportunity to wish you all the very best on this special occasion, and don't miss the opportunity. Participate in maximum number in this storytelling competition arranged by the Government of India on this special occasion, because one should be proud, we should be proud enough to have entered into the 75th year of our Indian independence. 75 years, wow, what a wonderful thing for our country, okay? So let us rejoice this freedom. And you know that Government of India has initiated also Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. Under that banner of ABSB, lot of activities are on. Participate actively. Let your strength, your inner potentiality come to the forefront so that JNV Mysuru gets better and better in the field of education. It's a matter of great pleasure for me on this special occasion to say a few lines to my dear colleagues, because the children are under our care. It is our primary responsibility to mold them, to bring them to track. You know that the children who are under our care right from class 6 to 12 are at a tender age and having lot of energy, zeal and enthusiasm. The only thing is we should give them a spark. If that spark is given to the students, automatically lots and lots can happen, wonders can happen from our children's side. That spark is possible only if we have the spark inside us. As an Navodaya family, in fact it's a very big family, starting from our Honorable Commissioner Sir till the lowest cadre of daily wage laborers who are working in various JNV campuses around the country. We all have a very big family. Though we may differ at our levels, yet as a family we are united. And this family is gradually expanding and expanding and expanding. It contains a lot of alumni who are placed in various levels at various places throughout the country, in India and outside India too. So let us give the spark to the children so that they can do wonders. As a family, let us be united. Every family should be united. Our Navodaya family should be united as a whole. United we stand, divided we fall. So on the occasion of National Unity Day, on this special occasion, let us stand united as an Navodaya family and let us give our maximum, our spark which is within us to our children who are the greatest beneficiaries, and they will be ever grateful to us. Once again, I extend my warm greetings to all of you, my dear colleagues, and your family members on this special day. So let me end up my address by saying that as a family of JNV Mysuru in the state of Karnataka, and as a teaching faculty, fraternity, let us give our best and do our best to our children so that their parents, their well-wishers, and all the stakeholders will be benefited a lot. And JNV Mysuru can stand as the best, one among the best in the country in the field of education, and as an exemplar institution for the entire family of Navodayas. Wish you all the best. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.